Now this is how we can add a fingerprint into the iPad. Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So first of all, your iPad needs to support it. Nowadays, you have either the Touch ID iPads, meaning you use the fingerprint, or you have the Face ID iPads. And if you have one, you cannot really use the other. So on this iPad mini, for example, I can go to the settings, and when I click on the Touch ID and passcode, you can see that I already have it inside of the settings here. I have the ability to either turn it on if I have never used it, or I have the ability to tap on Add a Fingerprint, and it's going to guide me through the way of setting this up. So I have to tap my power button. It's kind of larger because of the Touch ID sensor, so you can see that I can tap on it like that and keep on adding my fingerprint. As I said, it only works on a supported model, so in this case it's mostly the iPad mini and iPad Air, even though the previous generations of the iPad Pro, especially those with the home button, those could also use the Touch ID and add a fingerprint. But the point is that if you want to add a new one, this is where you need to go. Just tap the touch button a few times so your finger gets scanned, and then it's going to be added into the settings, meaning that you can use any of the added fingerprints in order to get inside of the iPad. Obviously, at the top, you also have the ability to decide if it's going to be used for Apple Pay and App Store purchases or passwords and so on. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you managed to find it. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you in the future videos too.